Morning Moon.
This is Gnanakumar. Welcome to Morning Moon channel. We are meet with one cyber security. I came for Dubai for some IT related work, and more experienced guy cyber security person. I have meet with Shankar. We have some specified some question. Currently, we facing world is they are facing of big issue from Windows error, BCOD, the blue screen for death. Why this error is came and why the world is struggle. Detailedly we are looking on that. We can discuss about Shankar for more experienced guy cyber security, IT related for currently this issue. Clarification he will with good conversation. Okay, let's go. You can meet Shankar. Hi Shankar, tell about yourself.
Hi Gnanakumar, hi everyone. For Morning Moon channel viewers, welcome to this video. Today we are going to discuss about everyone known issue, Microsoft global outage issues. Yes, of course, everyone knows much more details, but some of them might require some basic information what's going on there. Basically I'm from IT, so that's what we will have a small discussion with Gnanakumar. Yes, Gnanakumar, just you have anything to ask about?
What causes this issue?
So you're asking about what is the reason behind this Microsoft worldwide outage, right?
Yes.
So the main thing, if you want to know, there is one software film company, like cyber security companies, CrowdStrike. So they have been they are one of the partner for cyber security for the endpoint devices for the Microsoft Windows. So if you want to say more clearly that let's say Microsoft Windows, we can install so many antiviruses, right? So let's say if it is Kaspersky, if it is Malwarebytes, so all the updates, like major updates, it's coming through the Windows update patches. So you know that when you do the Microsoft update, so it's not only updating the Windows features, it's updating the related softwares which is installed in the Microsoft Windows. Let's say if it is Adobe, if it is Photoshop, if it is any other applications, major applications, it updating through the Microsoft Windows. So that means they are giving the patches, update patches through the Microsoft Windows. So this same scenario, CrowdStrike is a leading cyber security firm, which they also have endpoint for the Windows machines. Same like antivirus, you can say clearly. So what they did, they have done this patches update for the CrowdStrike through the Microsoft Windows. Say they update the patches and they push the package through the Windows update. So who are the who are the people having this Windows machine with the CrowdStrike applications? They are the one mostly affected. So what it costs, it's totally the endpoint has been crashed. So once the endpoint has crashed, obviously you know that blue screen will appear. So that is the main reason, the reason behind this outage. So once the blue screen came, all the users can't do any functions, right? So that is what really happened 2 days before.
Who's CrowdStrike?
Yeah, as I explained before, CrowdStrike is a security firm, like cyber security firm, who are the leading cyber security, in worldwide. So same like other security firm, they are well known in the worldwide. But as you know that people are using cyber security application based on their experience and based on their knowledge. So the CrowdStrike is they have this XDR for the Windows machine, other platform also. So you can see that much more cyber security, not only threat detections and other functionalities for this Windows machine.
Who's affected with outage?
Yeah, so you're asking that who are the people or who are the which sector is affected on the cyber security means in the outage. So if you want to say about that, like you see that online that most of the airline industries like then what you can say that medicine industries like hospitals,
Share markets.
yeah, share markets and courier FedEx also affected. Like most of the companies, this industries has been widely affected. We have been speaking about airlines because this is very crucial for day-to-day operations. That's why it's become went viral. If it is affected in some other sector which is not really that much critical urgency, so we would not know about this one. Maybe they update the patches and we will not know about this because of the outage. All the like Delta Airlines, I think mostly from the US, I think it's got affected. India also, most of the Indian companies also they got affected because who are having the CrowdStrike applications installed, endpoint installed in the Windows. So as I said, like yes, of course, like airline industries and medicine industries and stock exchange and FedEx courier companies, most of them have got affected.
The resolving is possible or not? The BCOD and all server, this kind of issues they can resolving. It take long time or short time to resolve this?
See, actually, CrowdStrike already been resolved. Means the mitigation already been done. Because they have been already resolved this issue, given the good updated the patches, they remove the bugs and already been the coded has been updated and they push the package to Microsoft. It's already been solved from the CrowdStrike company. But the thing is, it's not easy to resolve because it's affected the client machine, end users. So once the blue screen error came, network is down for the client, right? For the client PC, you cannot able to access anything. So that means even though if you push the package on the cloud, it will not affect the client. So what it means, you have to manually go and resolve the issue client by client, means PC by PC. That is what happened. So some of them you have to go by PC and resolve the endpoint because this endpoint is crashed. Once the endpoint application crashed, if you are the technician troubleshooting that we have to manually remove the application and revoke the update and again and reinstall and clean the Windows package SFC, check that any other issues are there and check disk, and then later install the new package and connect it to the cloud, Azure, again sync it. So many processes need to be done manually. So that's what it will take time. It's not easy. The issue has been resolved. They already CrowdStrike already given the proper update, has been pushed through Microsoft, but the end user client we have to do manually. There is no other way. So that's why it will take maybe long time, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or depends upon the severity of the like the client PC and the locations and the availability of the IT resources. So actually, yeah, this is actually one more thing also. This is one of the biggest lesson that all the IT person need to do, the remedy step. It's from my side what I suggest, or like what we are looking from IT perspective. Like of course we have a server, like to test all the updates. If any updates pushed by the Microsoft, we manually test in our server, then we are pushing to the client PCs. So this is the proper steps. Actually, I can see that one. Before pushing to the client PCs, you have to validate. You have to push the update, test and validate the update in your test environment. So then later you can validate for one week or whatever it is a time frame you have set for the SLA. Then you have to release it slowly. Even you can experience like normal printer issue also happen. If you are a Windows technician, you know that even printer update comes and it's crashed the existing printer to print. Print spooler error. this is a simple issue, but we are revoking we will remove the security update or the security update for the printing with the KB article, refer to the KB article, and we will reinstall it, so that time it will resolve. It's a similar thing. So we should have all the IT personnel to work around separately as a test environment. You can say sandbox environment, some modern technology saying sandbox environment.
So at present Microsoft saying you have to specify system file, you have to go for safe mode and specify the system file, you have to collect that file to be uploaded, then it will get resolved. It is true or false?
Yes, it's true. We have to do manually. Most of the IT technicians, they know these options, how to do, how to overcome this blue screen as they experience from the Windows XP. But for the nowadays we are in the cloud, right? Like Azure. I believe most of the Azure service is not yet affected. Like who's not been in the CrowdStrike. I mean, who are not having the CrowdStrike endpoint XDR. Other people have this solution running, but what I suggest that who are having also Azure, they also need to test the environment separately before implementing. So nowadays, like we are working, like after the issue is there, we are going for the resolving the solution, we are going on discussion, we are going to find the solution, but that is not going to work anymore because more number of networks been grown up. More number of devices has been, like billions of devices have been there, and IoT devices. Security is more concern nowadays. So everyone can give your opinions in this video that what are the other remedy steps, like mitigation steps we can follow to avoid this kind of issues later in the software.
Okay, Shankar, thank you for your cooperate with conversation. Is good conversation and good information you are share with us on Morning Moon channel. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone, thank you viewers. Keep subscribing on these channels. We'll try to post more tech videos in future. Thank you.
Thank you.
Pocket.com.
Morning Moon.